Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. This is Justin Dave Vivisto, and this is the breaking news for today. Earthquake incident hits in Bugao City. Watch the report by Justin Dave Vivisto. This is a news update on the earthquake incident in our city in Bugao. Authorities have confirmed a major incident that occurred earlier today. The event took place in the downtown area near Main Street. At this time, officials are still investigating the cause, but the source says several people have been injured in the incident. Emergency responders arrive at the scene quickly and they are working to provide aid. The injured are being taken to nearby hospitals for treatment. Local police have cordoned off the area for safety reasons, and citizens are urged to avoid the region while the investigation continues. We're also learning that the authorities are looking into all possible causes, including any potential threat to public safety. So far, details have been released regarding the identities of the individuals involved. We've heard reports of widespread confusion as people attempt to make sense of the situation in the area. We'll continue to follow this story closely and bring you updates as new information becomes available. For now, officials are asking that anyone with information about the incident contact local authorities immediately. Stay safe, and that's all. This is Justin Dave Vivisto, your news reporter on News Patrol.